In my previous video, I have explained how to analyze the hard disk space using this app. Click on the link on top left to view that video. In this video, we will free up the hard disk space by deleting Hibernate file, which is hiberfile.sys. It's a system file. This file is located in Windows install directory. In most cases, it's at C drive. This file is hidden and pretty big in size. In my case, it is more than 12 GB. What a big waste of valuable space. We will get rid of this file in Windows 10 without hurting my operating system. Before that, if you are using Hibernate function in your laptop or in your computer, that is, you want to preserve what you are working on with all the windows open when you next time start your system, then you should not touch this file. Otherwise, let's get rid of this file and save a lot of space. The process is quite simple. Click on start button and type cmd. This will show command prompt. Right click on this one and run as administrator. Click on this. Now this will open the command prompt with administrative privilege. Now type powercfg.exe -h for Hibernate and make it off. So we have to turn off the Hibernate functionality. Click enter. This will turn off the Hibernate functionality. Now this file will go away. Let's see this. Boom! My 12 GB file has gone. So if you see, I don't see hiberfile.system, which was of 12.7 GB. I have managed to save my space. See, now I have 98 GB of file space. If you find this video helpful, please share your feedback, like and subscribe to school.online. Thank you.